Are used engines worth it? What you need to know before you buy. Thinking about replacing your car engine but don't want to break the bank? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of used engines. Are they actually worth it? We'll also touch on used auto parts, including transmissions, and everything you need to know before making that purchase. If you're looking to make a smart decision for your car and your wallet, you're in the right place. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more helpful tips on buying reliable used auto parts. Let's start with the basics. A used engine is exactly what it sounds like, an engine that's been removed from a vehicle, but still has plenty of life left in it. It's often tested, inspected, and sold at a fraction of the cost of a new one. But is it worth it? Absolutely, if you know what to look for. At Gearshift Auto Parts, we help customers across the U.S. find quality used engines and transmissions that are both affordable and reliable. Whether you're dealing with a seized engine, a failing transmission, or just want to restore a vehicle without paying premium dealership prices, used parts are often the smartest choice. And it's not just engines. We offer used transmissions, alternators, heating and cooling components, and more. Every part is carefully sourced and inspected to meet quality standards because we believe in helping you get back on the road with confidence. Here's a tip: always ask for the mileage, compatibility details, and whether the part has been tested. Not all used engines are the same. Some are pulled from vehicles with low miles and minimal wear, making them a total win. Quick question for you: what part of your car are you currently looking to replace? Drop it in the comments, we might feature it in our next video. If this video's helping you out, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with more auto parts insights and repair tips. Used engines and transmissions are absolutely worth it if you buy from a trusted source. You can save thousands, extend the life of your car, and reduce environmental waste, all while getting OEM quality. At Gearshift Auto Parts, we make it easy to find the right used engine or transmission for your vehicle. Whether you're a DIYer or working with a mechanic, we're here to support you every step of the way. So, next time your car gives out, remember, you don't need a brand new part, you just need the right one. Need help finding the right part? Reach out today. Toll free, 855-475-5657. Visit gearshifauto.parts. Email info@gearshifauto.parts. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.